Hello, welcome to Alarm Designer. Today I'm going to show you another website for designer, but all that after this short break. The website today is called shortcuts.design. What is this website? Like you see, every shortcut for designer. Shortcut design is a website when you can search for any shortcut for any software from the list here. You can find any shortcut. Okay, so here for design, here also for development shortcut, for productivity. So for example, you are a user of Photoshop or you are in Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, XD, After Effects, and there is more and more. You can add new tools. So for example, we are in Photoshop here. Just click on this icon, and like you see here, there is all the list of the shortcuts. So if you want to read, for example, free transform, Ctrl+T, also new layer via copy, Ctrl+G, all that, cancel any model, dialog windows, escape, so all of this. But sometimes you want to search for this a tool, for example brush, just write a brush, and you can see decrease brush size, increase brush size, show hide brush panel. So there is many things here. Brush tool, for example, we want for the eraser tool, the E. For example, we want undo, so either redo Ctrl+C, new layer, okay, new layer, like you see, Ctrl+G, group, okay, group layer, Ctrl+G, and all that. So you can just search or you can read from all the list we have. That's all for today, my friend. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, also subscribe to my channel if you are new. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.